Hello there. Today I'm going to be continuing to work on my virtual machine. Okay, so today it's going to be shorter and simpler. Basically, I just want to clean it up because right now there's a lot of unused code. Mostly just in the virtual machine. I'm not going to worry about the assembler currently because that doesn't matter too much. Mostly it's just getting rid of things like indupster, which are not used, right? And if I have to update the assembly to get it to compile, then I will do that as well. So I also have registers, and I'm not sure that I'm using them. Let's start. Let's actually start here with just the instruction. Just get rid of them, and then just go through the compilation errors to fix it, right? So push pointer. I don't think we use push pointer, right? I don't even know why I would need that, but I will leave it regardless. Let's see. We don't need get stir. Don't need move stir. I should maybe make a. I just keep track of it, right? So get stir. Move stir. Just want to keep track of all the ones that I get rid of, right? Let's see. So we have pop stir. Let's see. So where was that? Pop stir and then dupe stir and swap stir. Okay. Because these aren't used anymore because it was when I was not quite sure what I was doing, right? I have a better idea now, and I realized that these were kind of stupid. Swap stir, in swap stir. Did I get rid of in dupe stir? Or did I not have that? Swap stir. All right, whatever. Index. I don't know. I don't think I need that. Let's get rid of it because I've not used it. Pretty much most of the instructions that I have not used so far are ones I can just get rid of, but I'll probably keep some of them anyway, like the get rid of this. Why did I put that back? No, I need push stir. Definitely need that one. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Also I can get rid of these, and I can just switch over the type. Instead of doing that. And that's probably better, but I will maybe make a to-do for that. To get rid of operations and replace with switch over data type. Right, because we always know what the data type is of any given value. Yeah, so all these are still good. I feel like these could be a switch over the data type as well. Instead of doing, int to float or whatever, it could be, do I not have float to int? Interesting. Instead of that, it could be, just to float, and we could switch over it. I remember trying that, and I don't remember why I undid that, but anyway. To void pointer, we need that. Call, return, jump, zero jump, print, native entry point. Need those. Let's see, this is stack size. Alright, yeah, so we are goodness. These are the ones that I need to get rid of. So let's see, if I hit get stir anymore. Alright, let's go to .c and walk through the compilation links. And, okay, so a lot of stuff. So yeah, we'll start with, probably just like that, right? Stir. What is this? Inst push stir does not exist. Oh yeah, push stir does exist. Okay, push stir exists. Get stir does not exist, so I can get rid of that. I did add assert false unused to a lot of them, so it shouldn't be too hard. Pop stir, dupe stir, get rid of that. In dupe stir, so I guess I did get rid of that one. So we have to add it. Swap stir, we don't need that. And in the swap stir, get rid of that as well. Okay. And then push stir is still valid. Okay. That looks like it's actually it for that part. Inst index. Yeah, we can go to that. Inst index. Yeah, because that was just when I didn't understand how memory works, and I wrote that. Yeah, learned a lot from this project actually. Okay, now we get a lot of notes, right? Yeah. Okay, so this is gonna be in the assembly itself. Yeah, we also have extra stuff in here, so I need to get rid of that as well. It's like any of the stir stuff, right? So get stir, get rid of that. Move stir, pop stir, dupe stir, in dupe stir, in or swap stir, in swap stir, index, get rid of that. And I think that's the last one, so I think we're good there. And then I also have to get rid of it from here, but I added these unused, so I think it shouldn't be too hard. Hopefully it's fine. In swap. Oh shoot, I got rid of something I didn't want to get rid of. Yeah, in dupe. Okay. I did not make that very clear. Okay, hopefully I didn't get rid of any invalid things. Anything that I did not want to get rid of, right? Yeah, now we have stuff in this TASM. That's the wrong thing. So TASM Right, because we have these. So I just need to get rid of the stir. Push stir, we want that. Get stir, do not want that. Not want move stir either. Do want that. Pop stir, get rid of that. Dupe stir. Indupe stir. Swap stir. Swap stir, and index, get rid of that as well. And I'll put that back on the line. Okay, so I think that should be good. So, okay, it actually compiles. We still do have extra stuff, though, so I'm gonna go through that. Because in the Lexer, I guess I will, we'll fix this up, right? We have the, Lexer here, and this is gonna have extra stuff, which could cause some problems. So, basically, push pointer, we still are using that. So, push stir, get stir, move stir, pop stir, loop stir, loop stir, swap stir, and swap stir, index, get rid of that. Okay, that should be good there, right? And then I have to, change it in here again. In here, because we have all of these, we have to get rid of that as well. So there's a lot of places where you have to change if you remove something, which is a tad unfortunate. But again, this stuff, this stuff, the assembly, is kind of dead, right? A dead project. Right now I'm compiling the language to that, but that's not permanent, right? And then I'm just gonna pretty much abandon the assembly for the most part, because it's really like not very important, right? It's useful for reading it, like, so I have a disassembler, but actually using it, it's not necessarily super useful. Like, the virtual machine itself is much more interesting. Okay, that should be the last thing. So let me make sure, okay, we have some stuff here. Type in stir. Yeah, okay, so that is in the assembly. Stir. Type get stir. We can get rid of that. But this was just checking the next thing to see what we do, right? So we don't really need that. Induce stir as well. Swap stir, okay. Alright, and then push stir, we still have that. Okay, so I think we're good there. That should compile now, and it does not. So get stir. It's in the parser, yeah. So stir. Alright, type string. Indupe stir, we do not want that. In swap stir, we do not want that. Push stir, we do still want that. And get stir, do not. Alright, and then I think we are good. Okay, so that all works. So, hopefully stuff will still work. So I'll test one of these script ones. And that still compiled. That was a testing thing. Oh yeah, I did fix the issue, right? So there was an issue where it was not, we would not compile properly. So an example like this, right? This would fail. And the reason was because when we were reassigning a variable, we were pushing the new value on the stack, swapping it with the old value, and then I never popped off the old value, so it was still on the stack. And that was causing stack issues, right? And then we were indexing the wrong value and things like that. So I fixed that now, and now this actually compiles. And yeah, I was using some test data, so that's what that was saying. I want to test the more complicated one though, the world 1.0, right? Because that uses most of the features of the language, and it still works. All right, superb. Because that compiles to the assembly still. So that is like a good way to test, make sure it works, right? Okay. So I still have some functions in the in the tim.c, right? We have these extra functions here. Stir, right? Reverse string into stir, that's not it. Float to stir. I had like in swap stir or something like that as a function, right? These are the native functions. Yeah, get stir from stack. So that I don't think we call that. We do not need that. This was a weird function. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure I can just get rid of that entirely. Index dupe, I still want that. Alright, that might have been 8 actually. I thought I had points for all the stuff, but I suppose not. Make sure. Alright, so we don't get any issues. And then I think I had that in here. From stack, yeah, get rid of that entirely. It still compiles. Again, I want to make sure that it works, right? If it wasn't called anywhere though, obviously not much of an issue. So what else do we have here? We have push stir, that's fine. Yeah, there's some more cleaning up that can be done in this in here like this. This can be moved into not a new line for each thing, but anyway. Right, this is just a way to get the value of the instructions. And actually, I do want to test that and make sure it still works. If I go in here, right, I have this world 110 dot .tim file. That is the file that we emulate. So if we go ahead and emulate it, that is what outputs this. But I can disassemble it, right? Is it this? Yeah, okay, I forgot. But, and then I could move that into a new TASM, right? And then reassemble it. I just want to make sure that works. And it does not work. That is not expected. Yeah, so that is, I messed something up somewhere. New.tasm. Alright, let's see, 58. Push 2, what? Oh shoot, so 0 jump. So that is messed up. So now this whole thing here is messed up. So I think what I want to do is, alright, that is with jump, right? So that's, going from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, 6. So 0 jump is 6 up. So 6k. True. So it does have operands. What's the issue here? Jump. Yeah, all the other jumps have it. Not 0 jump. We don't have one of those. 0 jump. So none of the 0 jumps do. So for some reason they are messed up. So I must have messed something up in here, right? 0 jump is right. So starting here, 6k is 0 jump. Yeah. So that is right. Interesting, right? Interesting. So let's take a look here. 1, 2, 3. Hang on. 6k is 0 jump. And it says true, has operand. True. Huh. I really need to mark what each one of these is. True, true, and then false. Ooh, that's not right. Push stir should have operand. So I think I'm messing up. So nope does not, and then 1, 2, 3 should. 1, 2, 3. All right, so it's a bit messed up. Let me make a new one so I can just make. And let's try this again. Yeah, so that still I don't think it fixed anything. That's the same thing. I might just have to rewrite all these. Okay. But maybe this isn't the best way to go about doing that, but I'll do it anyway. So yeah, I just kind of have to do this again. It shouldn't take too long, right? It's just basically, I could replace, like, make this the comment for it, so it'd be even easier, right? So I'm gonna use Vim for this because it's gonna be a lot easier to do that. Basically, if I go here, Control V, bam, 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 all the way down, insert / and escape, and there we go. Now we have that. I have some issues with the comments, but that's okay. All the way down to here, insert, tab, and there we go. Okay, so now we have that. So what I would like to do is put false. Alright, this is kind of annoying. Let's see, I can also just do this and go here. Whoops, I messed that up bad. I just want to indent it a little bit more. Okay, false. True. Okay, with the comments, it messes stuff up. Okay, true. That is true. This one is true. True. Yeah. Move does not, I don't think. Does move have an operand? That is interesting. Interesting thought. Source. I don't think I use it, right? I don't really use it, so I might want to get rid of it as well, but I'm not sure. Data. Yes, we do get the value from it. What is top type? That is interesting. I don't remember what I was doing here. But yeah, so we do, that does have an instruction. So I'm pretty sure that was incorrect anyway. I'll add the comments after. It might be easier to do that way. This does. Reference does not, for sure. Dereference. False. Elif, false. That takes from the stack. False as well. Right, false. Read, false. Pop, false. Really, a lot of them could just take the value from the stack. So dupe, I'm pretty sure that takes it from the stack now, right? Dupe, right? Yes, we do grab it from the stack, so that is false, and false, and false. A lot of them are false, like most of them really are. And really all of them could be except for push, right? But I didn't implement them that way, so they are not. False, 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 false. Yeah, so most of the rest of the way down is false. Alright, 2 VP. Alright, so call is the next non-false. True. Return is false. Jump is true. That is true. This is true. It's false. Native. True. Entry point is true as well. Stack size is false, and halt is false. What the heck just happened there? Alright, false. Can I do this? False. There we go. And then I can go here, and I know I'm just gonna put a comma at the end of all of these words. So that did not work. Hang on. So how can I do that? So N does not. That's a bit unfortunate. I might have to do it a different way. I'm not skilled enough in that. And insert that. That works. That. I want to, align all this. Again, it does not like comments, and I don't know why I've not figured out why yet. Okay. There's just a few more. Why do those not align properly? It just looks weird. Okay. That's fine with me. Okay. Okay, that should be aligned properly, and then I can just add the rest of the commas. Okay, and let's see, does this compile now? It does compile, and let me see if it works. Okay, it did do that, and then can I Yes, okay, so we can disassemble it and then reassemble it from the generated assemblies. That is good. And now it's more clear what every single one of these are, so that is very useful, actually. Oh, let's see, that's some memory stuff. I'm not going to worry about that. It's like a lot of extra functions here that I don't know that I need. Like reverse string, do I need that? Into stir, I might use that somewhere, I'm not sure exactly. But we can also implement that in terms of the Kino script, right? What is this? Right. Yeah, I could probably implement this as well, couldn't I? That's interesting. I can implement it in Kano script, and that's like one step towards implementing like a full print function where you just pass, either be like printf where you have the formatting, or it should just be print. Like you need variadic arguments anyway. Either way, but you pass like a string, 55, and then a string, something like that, right? We can pass however many arguments and then iterate over them. So I need to implement that because that's kind of important for our language. Obviously, get stream. So this could even be an array. Right, because it's just a void pointer, and then how many times do I use that? Get string. I use that in a few places, but if I just do get stream, right? I don't even have to get rid of the function. I can just make an array and then return the function index, right? Return streams. That is it. And that's it, right there to this. And let me actually go. So I can remember. Stream. So we're going to streams. And this is, how many is it? Case 1, 2, yeah, so 3 equals standard in, standard out, standard error. Otherwise, oh shoot, but actually can I do that? If stream as it's greater than 3 and return stream. Otherwise, we can just return this, right? Get rid of this, and that should hopefully still work. Right, so this is like if you have a function or if you're printing something like that, right? So let me compile that. Oh, okay, it's not content. So maybe that's why I didn't do that. Because that's not going to work, is it? Okay. Okay. Let's see. What can I do about that? All right, I guess I'll just put it back. All right, I guess I did think of that before then. That just does not work, unfortunately. There might be a better way to do that. I'm not sure exactly how that works. But script and build. And all right, I just want to make sure it all still works. All right, everything compiles. We get. So these are the native ones, so I don't need all of these, right? I do not need a lot of them, right? Like, I'll keep the malloc, probably. That's like if you want to do really low level stuff and sort of work around the integrated alloc for it, which calls to malloc, but it also does some other stuff. Yeah, we need these as well. Like this is for working with hang on, what is this? Yeah, working with what's it called? Files and such. Yeah, things like that. Free again, I'll keep that. I don't need scanf though. Like that I can just implement in terms of read, right? And then power, I don't need that. That was just like shortcuts, right? Time, I might want that. I'm not sure how I would implement that. Definitely do not need these. That's the thing, right? Like this memory stuff, like this is just implemented in terms of language now. It's not even hard to do or anything. Yeah, this again, don't need that. Native assert, we don't need that. That can just be implemented. Okay. I'm just gonna get rid of it and then go through like compilation errors and stuff. I think they're only used in one place though, so it's not a big deal. String copy, string compare, don't need that, and I'll keep exit because I do use them. Okay, yeah, so that is all in here. So this could be done in a much different way as well. Get rid of the string stuff, right? And the memory stuff, and that, and this. All right, and I think that was all that I got rid of. But yeah, so I can get rid of, let's see, scanf, pow, time, and exit. Yeah, like this doesn't need to be this way. I just did it this way so it could match up to like Linux syscalls and stuff, but I could just change that. Okay, now it compiles. Again, I just want to test to make sure it works. And that does still work. That is good. It's gonna click on that one. Right, and let's just call it. Also, this doesn't need to be defined here. This could be defined elsewhere. I realize I'm using Vim right now. Yeah, but what if I just take global? Does that work? But like again, this doesn't need to be defined every single time, right? That's the thing. I realize it's not gonna entirely work. Yeah, let me just do this, yeah. Initialize it when we start running the program. Because that should work, right? Yeah, that works. Okay, and do that. Okay, I just want to test it again. Yeah, okay, so it all works, and then that's a lot better, because then it's not initializing every time, so it is going to be at least slightly faster. Which I do want to time it now, kind of. Yeah, maybe it's not really much faster, because it's obviously not very big, but... How long does it take just to run it? 22 seconds. Alright, so I think that's about the same speed. So, obviously it didn't really change anything, but over time it can get faster, because you don't have to go through this step again. Even though it might get optimized out even, I'm not sure. Okay, what else? Push pointer, so we don't need that, right? Is it used for anything? Let me just see, like, if I implicitly call it somewhere, I might. Insert false. Let's see if it just, if it gets called in any of the cases. Right there. Oops, that's not right. Let's see, input build. Okay, it doesn't seem to be called, so I'm gonna assume it's safe to get rid of. So I will. Right, push pointer, get rid of it here, push pointer, get rid of the actual instruction, I'll quit out of Vim. Push pointer. And then we do have to modify the, once again, here. So I see, right, push pointer. Here do I do this here as well. What is this? Oh shoot, so this is you can push null. We don't really need that, right? We can just we can do this, right? Push 0, PvP. And that is null, right? So yeah, we don't really need that. So I can just get rid of it. Right. Push pointer. Do I call that anywhere else? What is this? Yes, this is the same thing. Why did I do it twice? Alright, get rid of all those. And then in the Lexer as well. Push pointer. Whoops. Right here. Pointer. Push pointer. Okay. It's the wrong one. This one. Push pointer. Do I use that? No. Okay, so I think we're good, right? Oops. Does compile, and again, I just want to check to make sure it all works perfectly. Okay, expect type of int, but found add. What the heck? Alright, 16. Add. Okay, something is broken now. Shoot. Okay, that is expected. Alright, and it might be in here. Expected. Maybe not. Right, so how does this work? Current token line. Current token character. So expected is what? What do I call it? Expected type of int. Alright. Okay. Where do I say that? Just type of int. Alright, right here. Type of int. Type of int. Alright, so it looks like this is the only case. One case where we do that. That's interesting. We have add. Is push. Oh shoot, it's in the top now in here. Did I mess a thing up here? Push stir. Push and push stir. So it's getting confused with something else. Oh, frick. Not good. Where we push, stir. Right, nothing seems messed up here. Oh, okay. So I don't have that anywhere here. So it's gotta be in here, right? Gotta be something in here. Type of. So it's right here, right? We can even make sure, actually, I suppose. Syntax error. And do this. Yeah, syntax error. Good. Yeah, okay, so it's right here. So why does it think it's of type native? Unless it's off by 1 or something. There's no natives in here, so... Well, 2VP is a native, is it? No, it's not. Alec is. You know what? Well, are comments included there? They are included, so that's not the issue. Add. So add is expecting something. For some reason, add is. Right. No. Push 0 and expecting something else after that. If I do that. of int? Yeah, so it's spending int twice. Why is that? Oh shoot, because I need to change this. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Okay, because this has to match up with the count, right? So that's 1. With the count of these, because I'm stupid, right? When I implement this, it was very stupid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. Right, so it is like overreading or whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. Okay, let me just go through all these because they have to match. And they have to match. I forgot about that. Yeah, I forgot. Alright, that seems to be it. There we go. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's what the whole issue was. Okay, I think I will commit this now. Alright, push that. A lot of deletion. That's good. Okay. Yeah, getting close to all that I wanted to do for here. So let me just go through the again. And see like what else we have. So stir types. What is this? Oh yeah, this is just to print the types. That is fine. I don't remember what top is. That was something for the registers, but I don't really use the registers. Right. Do I have inst top? No, I don't. That's just yeah, it just gets the top of the stack. Which is kind of stupid, right? Kind of stupid. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, I'll leave it. So, what else? So I already push pointer, right? So what is this? I can get rid of the push pointer. Push PPR, right? Shoot. Reference. I don't think I use that, like, because that's kind of not needed. But I'll leave it anyway. So, I guess we're good. Because we push the pointer, but that could just be a push with the type of pointer. So I don't understand a lot of things that I've done. Again, like I wrote this quite some time ago, so I don't remember a lot of these things. And it's kind of stupid. What is this? Yeah, we don't push anywhere there, so get rid of that. Pair types. So, let me look at instructions. So this, right, I can do, switch over it and do it depending on the type, right? So if I switch over, what is it? Machine instruction IP dot data type. Case of type int, do this. Case type float, do this. Default. Well, actually, that's gonna break a lot of stuff, right? In case that, in case type PTR, is that what it's called? I think that's what it's called. Right, I'm just gonna assume it's an int type. Default air not right. Right, I don't have a good air at the moment, but let me just make sure that works. It's pointer type actually. Pointer type. Int type. And float type. Yeah, I guess it's literally right there, so. Math op. So did I make that macro wrong? Go up to, actually it's gonna be in here. Right, I had do wrong. So what's wrong with that? Statement may fall through. Oh, I forgot the break. That's what's wrong. Instead. Oh shoot, I have this. I do have the break though. Oh shoot, because these need the break. Alright, that's what you should break out. Break, and break, and this one's break. Okay. And let me just make like a path, right? So in here, that's not catching. Get rid of whatever this is. Push 5, and then push 2.5. So it takes the top. Shoot, we don't have a value of it, do we? Yeah, so we want to switch over the top of the stack. Machine stack size -1. If machine stack size equals 0, then print error. Error stack underscore. Alright, stack size -1. Less than 1, actually, because we need, 2 things on the stack, right? Not type, I think that's supposed to be right, because that's what we want to actually switch over, not that stuff. Right, because, it doesn't have an operator, so obviously you can't do that. So push that, so whatever's on the top of the stack, it should be. So actually, it does go this way. Whatever you push second, it should be, and then just add and print. It should be, yeah, 7.5. Tasm, test. Tasm, pirate, test, 10. I didn't print anything, what the heck? Should have printed things. Why did it not print things? What? Doesn't have the rest of it. Why does it not have the rest of it? What the heck? Just, it's just like, oh no. Okay. Huh. It's just, but then it doesn't exist. What? Why? Because there's like a space there. Oh shoot, it must have been certain a null termination character. That's kind of stupid. There we go. Okay, yeah, sometimes that happens. Okay. As float 2.5. What the heck? That's not right. Type is int. Okay, so that did not work. Why would it be 2.5 though? Still 2.5. Okay. That doesn't seem to have worked. Shoot, I didn't change to a float type, first of all. And it's float. Okay. I guess that still might not work, will it? $2.5 still. You know what? I need to swap them back because I was right before, I think. What the heck? 2.5. But now it is a float, but it did not add. Which is quite interesting, yes? What the heck? Okay, good. There's not leftover stuff, right? On the stack. Yeah, okay, stack under floats. That's what I would expect. But why does it not actually add it, you know? Why does it not? If they are both, right. We probably want to cast it as well. Okay, because then we would need to switch over the data types of both of them. And then do it. So that is interesting. That is quite interesting. Right. But if they're both floats, then it works. Okay. So it doesn't know how to interpret it that way. That makes sense, actually. And if they're both integers, I just want to, make sure. And it's 7. So that kind of works. It kind of works at least. But I need to add a 2 here, right? So to do flush this out with a mode. Oops. And make it work it switches over both operands data types. This will remove the need for its add f. That f. Simplifying the bytecode greatly. Right. Yeah, because then we don't need a bunch of extra instructions. I want to have as few instructions as possible because that means there's as few places that could go wrong as possible, right? That's sort of the idea that I've got here. So build that. Again, so it's a to-do, so I'll get to that. Because I do about have to go now. And that did not work. Not right. Pointer type. What other types do we have? Character type, is that what it is? Because that's going to be, the same thing. Field. Yeah, so that's what it was, the character. Yeah, all of those can be treated as integers because that doesn't matter. It's really just the floats that are different. We could have something special with the pointers, but it doesn't, like, then we push it back, right, as a pointer instead of having to cast it to void pointer, but really it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that much. So that's all. So I'll commit this, and then I'll do about have to go. Let's see. And switch to its end. Work added to post that, and we should be a good to go. Yes. All right, we are gold. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.